Hi, kitty cats. So, today we're going to do the Boxycharm. And here we go. It's pretty big. Well, it's a bigger box than usual. We got this here, our card. It tells us all the things. And we got some bubble wrap. What do we got in here today? So, we're going to start with this. Yensa Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. It's a $35 primer. I'm so sick of getting primers. I've said stuff, and both Ipsy and Boxycharm just love to give me primers. I don't know why. Remember, like, a few years ago, it was black eyeliners that I kept getting? Like, no matter what I said, they just kept giving me black eyeliners. And I ended up with, like, 20 black eyeliners. It was, like, ridiculous. So, let's take a look at this primer. It looks like it's probably a really nice primer, but, like, I have so many primers I need to go through, and it's hard to go through primers because you don't use a lot, you know? It's another primer. Oh, and some paper. There's some paper. What do we got here? We've got Liquid Glass Miracle Smoothing Sealant. I assume this is for hair. Okay. Yeah, it says something about lasts through 3 washes. Interesting. How much is this? Dry Bar Liquid Glass Miracle Smoothing Sealant. Meet the Ultimate Frizz Fighter. Okay. That's $34. I'm not sure if my daughter could even use it. She doesn't have frizzy hair. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this. Do I have any friends with curly hair like that? I don't know. We'll see. Actually, I'm thinking of somebody who might be able to use this. And that's another thing. I don't need hair stuff, and I've explained that. Ipsy stopped giving me hair stuff, but Boxycharm just keeps giving me hair stuff. They don't listen. Cha Dual Liquid Eyeliner Pearl. It says pearl. Is that the color? Let's see. I want to see if it's the color. And see if I can get this off. It's perforated. It should come. They perforate things so that you can get it to make it easy, and they don't do it very well. It's like, this does not want to come off. Even though it's obvious it's supposed to come off there. One little piece. I'm sorry, guys. I mean, no, I don't look through my Boxycharm ahead of time because I want to be just as surprised as you are at what I get. Like, I don't want it to be like, I don't want to be fake. And be like, ooh, look at this, when, you know, I already saw it. So, okay. What's funny is that despite showering many times, I have a swatch on my hand from something else. Let me go. Ooh, that's like a blue. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Yes, I love when I get like a beautiful colored eyeliner like that. I mean, black, you know, is good to have, and I use it the most, but oh my goodness. This might be this inspires me. Like, that makes me really happy. That's the best thing I've gotten so far. Because honestly, the hair stuff and the primer, things that I don't need or want. So, I hope the rest of this stuff is cool. This is Turmeric Brightening Polish for face and body. Ooh, for face and body. So I can use this for the body. Gently massage into wet skin and leave on for 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. This might be nice. Turmeric brightening. When you have arthritis, everybody's always like, eat turmeric. Girl, I tried that. It did not work. Okay. The eyeliner, by the way, is $35. I don't know if I mentioned that. This is $38. So that's pretty nice. And what's left? We got one thing. Woo! Violet Voss Sunkissed Summer. Violet Voss usually has like decent eyeshadows. So let's see what we got here. And this is worth $32 or $37? $37. So let's see what's in here. Very pretty. Beautiful, glowy looks. I could easily see these being like some nice summer looks. Like nothing too fancy, which you know me, I like to be wild most of the time. But this is nice for like an everyday looks with a little bit of shimmer. I really like this color here, of course. I love the sparkly. But I could easily see wearing this with this and maybe this. I mean, I'm seeing what I could do with it. Ah! Little piece of plastic. So, that could be fun. I like that. So, about half the things were good. And half the things were... yeah. Like the primer, I'm probably going to give away to a friend of mine. And the hair stuff, I know somebody that I think we could use that. But, those two things were not great for me, personally. I wish they would stop giving me hair stuff. I don't have hair. Like, I don't need it. But the eye pencil really makes me... this is my favorite thing out of this box. I'm very excited about this. The liquid eyeliner. And I also really like the eyeshadow palette. And I'll probably do something with those two things. I can see those going together, actually. Yeah. I've got a plan. I've got a plan. So I'll probably do a look with those things. Like maybe next week. So you can see it. And, I'll try to get my... I'm really having to, like, push my daughter to do stuff. But if she doesn't want to do the Ipsies... like this week or next week, I'm probably just going to do all of them by myself. There's so many of them that it would be easy to do that by myself. It would still be a lot of content. Because I haven't done an Ipsy bag in like 5 months. But I've got them and they're all just piled up. And my boyfriend hates it when they're piled up. He doesn't like seeing those pink envelopes everywhere. He's just like, when are you gonna open these? Get rid of them. Soon, I promise, I swear. He does most of the cleaning. Besides somebody that we have come in and clean. So, it's... so... had a little technical issue there. So, I'm done anyways. I don't even remember what I was saying at this point. Oh, I think about, getting stuff that I don't want. That's fine. I tell them, didn't want... oh, I was talking about the Ipsy bags. That was it, right? Yeah. So, having Ipsy bags everywhere is just like in the way. And I get it. And honestly, they're in the way in the beauty room too. There's just too many of them. I need to get them out and get the stuff in them put away. It needs to happen. And I'm sure you guys want to see them all, right? You want to see all the Ipsy bags? Let me know down below. And thanks for watching. And always remember to be kind. Remember, kindness. Okay? Bye-bye, kitty cats.